Mina no Nihongo N4 Lesson 28 Part 4 Kaiwa Conversation Nihongo no Kaiwa Renshu shitai desu. I want to practice conversing in Japanese. Niban Jitsuwa. As a matter of fact, Jitsu wa senshu watashi no tomodachi ga chiko ni attan desu. Actually, my friend was in an accident last week. Sanban oshirase notice. Gomi sute no oshirase wa keiji ban ni hatte imasu yo. Notice regarding garbage disposal is put up on the notice board. Yonban sankashimasu. To participate, join or attend. Kono boranchiya katsudo ni sanka shitai desu. I want to participate in this volunteering event. Goban hinichi date. Sumimasen Nichi o ashita no ban ni kaete moraimasen ka? I'm sorry, but could we change the date to tomorrow evening? Rokuban Taikukan Gymnasium Tenisu no shiai wa Taikukan de shimasu. Tennis match will take place at the gymnasium. Muryo free of cost. Kono chushajo wa muryo desu. This parking lot is free of cost. Hachiban sasoimasu to invite. Kimura-san wa watashi o eiga ni sasoimashita. Mr. Kimura invited me to a movie. Kyuban Ebento event. Ashita atarashi shohen wa happyo ibento ga arimasu. Tomorrow is the launch event of the new product. Grammar point 4 Sore de. Sore de indicates that what is about to be said follows from what has been said. Example, Koko wa kohi mo oishii, shokuji mo dekirushi. Sore de nenki ga arun desu ne. The coffee is great here and you can also have a meal. So that's why it is so popular. Grammar point 5 Toki plus particle. Toki is a noun and can be used with a particle attached to it. For example, Benkyo suru toki wa onbaku o kikimasen. I don't listen to music when I'm studying.